Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Taylor and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today we got the brand new Xbox Series X that I was lucky enough to get my hands on. We're going to be doing an unboxing and a pretty good in-depth review. So yeah, I'm really excited for this and can't wait. Without further hesitation, let's hop right into the video. So the first thing we see when we open the box is going to be the actual Xbox. And then it comes with a how to get started guide. And the next is the brand new controller. It comes with some new features along with a new D-pad and triggers, bumpers, etc. Comes with some batteries. And of course you have your HDMI and power cable. Can't forget the manual. So they've incorporated this really cool new design up top, which has a green layer underneath just to give it that extra design. And it's also for cooling, has really good airflow as you can see. So the ports on the back is going to come with your HDMI, power cable, Ethernet, extra SSD, and 3 USBs, 2 in the back and 1 up front. And then of course we have our sync button, the extra USB up front, the disc loader, and then the power itself.
Won't be needing this thing anymore.
Alright guys, we are here now. We have the Xbox all, turned on and everything, so now we just gotta go ahead and set it up. And of course, we got an update. Alright, so we have gone ahead and updated it and we're back, so I'm gonna hold the Xbox button, and now we can go ahead and get started. Alright, let's go. Take me home. Wow. So this does kind of look like the Xbox, One screen, but it does look a little renovated, and it looks really nice, really sleek, really nice. It's not having to relearn anything. So heck yeah. So let's go ahead and download Warzone or something. See how the 4K looks on the new video games and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, so now we're going to go over the tech specs, which is what makes this console really incredible and stands out from the rest of them. So the processor, you're going to get 8 cores right out of the box, 3.8 gigahertz, and that customs into CPU, which is amazing, the best it's ever been on a Xbox. The memory and storage is going to come with a 16 gigabyte DDR6 RAM, along with a 1 terabyte custom NVMe SSD, which is amazing, which is really fast memory, and you can upgrade it actually, which it costs $200 to upgrade it, which is kind of a hefty amount of money when you already paid $500 for the console. But if you want extra storage, you can come up here and buy this right here, this 1 terabyte SSD that plugs into the back just like that. Doing that will give you another terabyte. You'll never have to lug around, a big SSD or anything like that. It is costly, but hey, it gives you another terabyte. After that, it says up to 8K HDR, which is insane. You know, gaming resolution is true 4K, so it's the Xbox One had 4K, but this has really good true 4K in video games and with your monitors and everything like that. So that's one of the big upgrades you're getting with this is video capabilities, and just like normal, it has 4K UHD Blu-ray. Sound is just normal sound, I mean, sound, right? Ports and connectivity, we already went over it on the back on the unboxing, but it has one HDMI port, 3 USB ports, obviously Wi-Fi, obviously an Ethernet port, and obviously wireless radio. And then this is actually really heavy. Right out of the box, I mean, it was a heavy box, it's a heavy console. It is a lot heavier than any other Xbox that I've held in my life, and it weighs literally almost 10 pounds. This Xbox weighs almost 10 pounds, which is crazy. And right here you can see how it all put together. And then it has really good airflow channels. As you can see from the unboxing when I held it up, it has really good airflow, and so it won't overheat. It also has, if you come down here, it also has a split motherboard, so it can be the temperature regulated, and so it'll stay evenly heated. It also has a nice heat sink along with, like I said, airflow. It's a super quiet fan, which is must. It's always nice to have a really quiet room when you're playing video games, and I have not noticed anything so far. I can't even hear it, which is a huge plus. Alright, let's load up a Warzone game and see how it goes.
Enemy contact!
I'm taking fire!
Got him!
Enemy UAV overhead. Got a loadout drop inbound.
Alright, anyways guys, that was that. I think I could tell a little bit of a difference. I mean, it wasn't like a crazy difference, but yeah, I'm looking forward to the games to come, and yeah, I mean, I can just tell that it's an awesome console already. So that was a little bit of the gameplay on that, and that is it. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. So basically, in conclusion, it is a great console, and there's many things to come in the future. Along with, in a few years, they're going to discontinue the Xbox One. We're all going to have to move over to the Series X eventually anyway. But I still think it's a good thing because there's a lot of things coming with it. It has a great CPU, a great GPU, etc. And yeah, it's just great things to come. So I really hope you enjoyed this, and peace out.